Hello, my name is Amelia and I'm a first-year communication and graphic design major from Brooklyn, New York. Thank you for joining me on our video tour. I'm very excited to show you around and help you feel more connected to our campus as you envision yourself as a member of our community. Let's check out the Curry College Wellness Center. The Wellness Center is an all-in-one resource for students to be supported physically and mentally while they are on campus. At the Wellness Center, students can connect with professionals in counseling, health services, and wellness education. Within the Wellness Center, you'll find Curry's Counseling Center, where students can receive predominantly short-term, individual counseling to support personal growth, development, and academic success. Their services offer students a place to learn how to manage stressors, as well as prevention-based education to promote positive mental health to the entire Curry community. The Counseling Center also has 24/7 student support line, group counseling workshops, a meditation room, and referrals to community-based providers if the students' needs stretch beyond Curry's resources. Professionals in the Counseling Center also provide consultation to faculty, staff, parents, and students to help them assist a student in distress. Also in the Wellness Center, we have health services, which contains an outpatient clinic staffed by 2 nurse practitioners and a consulting physician. These trained professionals provide quality medical care for routine, acute, and chronic health problems and injuries. All full-time students who carry at least 12 credits are eligible to use health services. Thanks for virtually stopping by the Wellness Center today. If you have any questions, please contact the admissions office at adm@curry.edu or 617-333-2210. I also encourage you to check out some of our other video tour stops.